Welcome to session 7. Up till we have seen the joint equation of pair of lines is a homogeneous equation if h square minus ab greater than equal to 0. Now we are going to find the angle between the lines represented by homogeneous equation of second degree in x and y, that is ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0. Okay, but there is result is if say theta is acute angle between the lines represented by the equation ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0, then tan theta equal to mod of 2 under root of h square minus ab upon a plus b comma a plus b not equal to 0. This is the result. परीक्षेला 3 मार्काला येऊ शकतो. इम्पॉर्टंट थिअरी आहे. ओके, मग याचं हा हाऊ टू प्रूव्ह. लेट अस स्टार्ट प्रूफ. इट्स व्हेरी सिंपल. यू नो दॅट दिस इज अ होमोजेनियस इक्वेशन which represents two lines passing through origin. Okay, then I say if let m1 and m2 be slopes of lines given by the equation ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0, that is passing through origin, then you know the formula. Then m1 plus m2 sum of roots which is equal to sum of slopes minus 2h upon b, and m1 m2 equal to a upon b. You know this. Say for a short while it is equal to 1. And we know in 11th standard we learn that if theta is acute angle between the lines having slopes m1 and m2, then what is its formula? You know that tan theta equal to mod of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. This is a formula we have proved in 11th standard. हा 11th standard मधला अँगल शोधण्याचा फॉर्म्युला आहे. ओके, बट यू नो सम, you know product, but we are unknown about difference. So use the identity which we have. We know identity. What is m1 minus m2 bracket square equal to? This is the identity we have proved in 11th standard. m1 minus m2 bracket square equal to m1 plus m2 bracket square minus 4 times m1 m2. This is identity. Okay, put the values in this identity. We got that is equal to m1 plus m2 minus 2h upon b minus 2h upon b square minus 4 m1 m2 a upon b, which is equal to 4h square upon b square minus 4a upon b. If we take common denominator, we got 4h square minus 4ab. 4 is common, so 4 is common. You got h square minus ab upon b square. This is a value of m1 minus m2 square, and therefore m1 minus m2 equal to, therefore m1 minus m2 equal to, yes हा स्क्वेअर आहे, मग m1 मायनस m2 ची किंमत काय येईल आता, m1 मायनस m2 ची किंमत, m1 मायनस m2 इक्वल टू 4चा स्क्वेअर रूट 2 अंडर रूट ऑफ एच स्क्वेअर मायनस ए बी अपॉन बी प्लस मायनस you got it. Put these values because you know product. Now using this formula we find difference, and therefore from 2 we get tan theta equal to mod of m1 minus m2 plus minus 2 root of h square minus ab whole upon b whole upon 1 plus a upon b. Am I correct? Okay. Then cross multiplication, plus mod is there, so no need of plus minus because it is always positive. 2 s square minus ab upon b plus a having common denominator, and cancel it, and so you got your answer. What is mod of 2 root of h square minus ab upon a plus b comma a plus b not equal to 0 आणि hence the formula. बघा बरं किती सिंपल आहे, फक्त एवढी आयडेंटिटी महत्त्वाची आहे. m1 मायनस m2 ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर इक्वल टू 4 m1 प्लस m2 स्क्वेअर मायनस 4 टाइम्स m1 m2. एवढी आयडेंटिटी लक्षात ठेवा. सम प्रॉडक्टच्या व्हॅल्यू टाका, त्याचं स्क्वेअर रूट घ्या, टॅन थिटामध्ये किमती टाका, सिम्प्लिफाय करा, यू गॉट द आन्सर. 3 मार्काला हा थिअरी प्रॉब्लेम येऊ शकतो. ओके, वी कम अप टू द अँगल. नाव इफ लाईन्स आर कोइन्सिडेंट व्हॉट हॅपन्स? रिमार्क, if lines are coincident, parallel, coincident असेल तर काय होईल, स्लोप सारखे येतील. m1 इक्वल टू m2 म्हणजे पॅरलल, मीन्स m1 मायनस m2 इक्वल टू 0. बट व्हॉट इज m1 मायनस m2? वी प्रूव्ह दॅट. देअरफॉर 2 अंडर रूट ऑफ s square minus ab upon b equal to 0, that is root of h square minus ab equal to 0. on squaring, जर स्क्वेअरिंग केला तर तुम्हाला काय मिळेल, h square minus ab equal to 0 and is the condition for coincident lines, is the condition for coincident lines. This is the first remark. Now turn towards second remark. If lines are perpendicular, if given lines are perpendicular, if lines are perpendicular, then you know the condition, m1 minus m2 equal to minus 1. But product of their slope is minus 1, not m1 minus m2. Please correct it. Their product of slope is minus 1, but you know that m1 m2 equal to a upon b in homogeneous equation, that is a equal to minus b, and therefore a plus b equal to 0, that is coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square equal to 0. Then lines are perpendicular. These are the 2 important conditions, and there is a problem on this condition also. ओके, तर असा हा सिम्पलसा थेरम आणि त्याच्यावरचे 2 रिमार्क बघितले. नाव टर्न टुवर्ड्स प्रॉब्लेम्स ऑन इट, त्याच्यावरचे प्रॉब्लेम्स बघूया. ओके, सी द प्रॉब्लेम. फाइंड द ॲक्यूट अँगल बिटवीन द लाईन्स 3x स्क्वेअर मायनस 7xy प्लस 2y स्क्वेअर इक्वल टू 0. सो वी नो द फॉर्म्युला, and therefore what we do, compare given equation with ax square plus twice h xy plus by square equal to 0, we get what we get? A means coefficient of x square twice h coefficient of xy. From this find the value of h minus 7 by 2 and b coefficient of y square 2. Simple way. मिळाले सगळे व्हॅल्यू. नाउ राइट द फॉर्म्युला. इफ theta is acute angle, theta is acute angle between given lines, then what is the formula? Tan theta equal to mod of m1, sorry, we prove new formula, 2 root of h square minus ab upon a plus b. होमोजिनियस साठी नवीन फॉर्म्युला आहे. पुटिंग व्हॅल्यू इन इट, दॅट इज 2 रूट ऑफ h स्क्वेअर मायनस 7 by 2 स्क्वेअर 49 by 4 minus a 3 b 2 3 into 2 6 upon a plus b. Cross multiplication, that is equal to mod of 2 root of 49 minus 6 4 24, yes, 25 upon 4 whole upon 3 plus 2 5, that is equal to 2. 25 upon 4 square root is 5 upon 2 upon 5 and your answer is 1. Tan theta equal to 1. Tan theta equal to 1 means theta equal to, yes, 45 degree or pi by 4 radian, and therefore angle between the given lines is 45 degree or pi by 4 radian. Simple way. If ask this problem only for 2 marks. Okay, simple problem. One more. Next problem. Find the acute angle between the lines 3x square minus 4 root 3xy plus 3y square equal to 0. Similar manner, compare given equation with homogeneous equation ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0. We get, yes, a equal to coefficient of x square 3, b equal to coefficient of y square 3 and twice h equal to coefficient of xy minus 4 root 3, and therefore h equal to minus 2 root 3. You got the value, and we know that if theta is acute angle between given lines, then what is the formula? Tan theta equal to mod of 2 root of h square minus ab upon a plus b, that is equal to 2 root of h square minus 2 root 3 square करून बघा 12 minus a 3 b 3 upon 3 plus 3, putting the values, which is equal to 2 root of 12 minus 9 3 upon 6. Am I correct? 2 ones 2 3s, root 3 upon 3, root 3 upon 3, which is equal to 1 upon root 3. Am I correct? Positive term, so no need of mod. And therefore what is value of theta for which angle? It is a 1 upon root 3 and which is equal to 30 degree or pi upon 6 radian. and this is the angle between the given lines. Okay, next, see the problem. Find the acute angle between the lines represented by a square minus 3b square bracket complete x square plus 8ab xy plus b square minus 3a square y square equal to 0. Again same as compare given equation with a x square plus twice h xy plus by square equal to 0. We get a equal to, a means coefficient of x square, b means coefficient of y square, b square minus 3a square, and twice h is coefficient of xy 8ab, and therefore h equal to half of it 4ab. Again we know if theta is acute angle between given lines, then what is formula? Then tan theta equal to 2 root of h square minus ab upon a plus b. Okay, putting the values, which is equal to 2 under root of h square, h is 4ab, its square is 16 a square b square minus bracket a means a square minus 3b square, b means b square minus 3a square upon a means coefficient of x square plus b coefficient of y square mod complete, and simplify this term outside or inside in the square root. 2 under root 16 a square b square minus, we solve first bracket, multiply a square to each term in the next bracket, a square b square, a square b square, a square into minus 3a square minus 3a raised to 4. Now multiply minus 3b square to this, minus 3b raised to 4 minus minus plus 3 3s 9 a square b square complete whole upon over this part, and then that is mod a square minus 3a square minus 2a square minus 2b square. Am I correct up till any problem? Okay, let us turn towards next part of it, which is equal to 2 mod of into under root of, now a square b square plus 9a square b square, 10a square b square, 16a square b square minus 10a square b square, you got 6a square b square, this minus plus 3a raised to 4 minus minus plus b raised to 4 upon minus 2 common inside bracket, you got a square plus b square. Okay, am I correct? Now that is, which is equal to, these two cancel with these two, inside the root 3 is common, रूट मध्ये काय कॉमन घेणार 3, यू गॉट ट्वाइस a square b square plus a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4 upon minus into bracket a square plus b square, and we know that this term underlined by me is a square of, हा कुणाचा स्क्वेअर आहे, a square plus b square plus twice ab, it is a square of a square plus b square bracket square upon minus inside root a square plus b square. Square and square root cancelled. What is remaining part? Root 3 इंटू ए स्क्वेअर प्लस बी स्क्वेअर अपॉन मायनस ए स्क्वेअर प्लस बी स्क्वेअर. अगेन कॅन्सल दिस टर्म. यू गॉट मायनस √3 and which is equal to outside root tan theta equal to √3 means what? tan थीटाची किंमत √3 आली आणि मग कोणता अँगल आहे थीटा, कोणता अँगल आहे ज्याला किंमत √3 येते ते, and therefore theta equal to 60 degree or pi/3 radian. आणि हा एक प्रॉब्लेम छान आलाच तर 3 मार्काला विचारला जाईल. ओके, अशा प्रकारचे आणखी काही प्रॉब्लेम्स आपण पुढच्या सेशनमध्ये घेऊ. अप टिल वी स्टॉप हिअर. ओके.